The Philippine Coast Guard recognized the UNTV Primetime Newscast program Ito Ang Balita as one of their partners in providing timely and truthful information that the public should know. In the Public Affairs Service Awards 2024 of the PCG, held earlier April 25, the station was one of those praised for its tireless public service.
Sa inyong lahat sa patuloy na pakikiisa sa mitiin ng Philippine Coast Guard na mabigyan ng tamang information ng ating mga kababayan, lalong-lalo na dun sa laban sa West Philippine Sea at sa environmental concerns, sa mga safety protocols natin pagka umiiral yung sama ng panahon.
According to the PCG, especially during this time when fake news is rampant, they are diligently working to provide correct information to our fellow citizens, especially on important issues such as the situation in the West Philippine Sea and what the public should do and know during inclement weather.
Maraming salamat sa pagpapahalaga sa Coast Guard. Tuwing may mga kontrobersya, hindi nyo nakakalimutang hinga ng panig para maging patas ang inyong pagbabalita. Maraming salamat sa mga pagkakataong ibinigay nyo para maingatan namin sa imahe ng organisasyon. Hindi kami perpekto, pero sa tulong ninyo, nagawa naming mapangalagaan ang tiwala ng publiko.
Vice Admiral Rolando Lisor Punsalan Jr., Deputy Commandant for Operations of PCG and former Head of Public Affairs Office, emphasized the importance of establishing a deep relationship between the media and the Philippine Coast Guard to ensure responsible information dissemination.
I realized na it's really partnership. Information can be taken actually from social media nowadays and even from other sources. Pero, correct me if I'm wrong, it appears na the reliability.
In addition to media personnel, the PCG personnel who are partners in disseminating information were also recognized. UNTV continues to monitor and cover important events in the society to deliver balanced and responsible news coverage. Ryan Lacanlale, UNTV News and Rescue. We serve the people, we give glory to God.